information I nwetara ihe na-eme n'ime ebe a ya mere anyị ji gbara bịawa ahịa. Number 1, government house Umuahia. These people now got vandalized. Actually, get here. Then why going? We got another information. Then a suspected fallen herdsman actually also from somewhere Hababata this side. I said okay.
This video is to remind you that all the prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is about to happen again in Biafra land. These people that people are seeing on my screen are Igbo youth trying to protect their community because Fulani herdsmen are going place to place to destroy lives and property. So these people that people are seeing on my screen are Igbo youth going inside the bush to make sure that their land protected. So after watching this particular video now, share this video and drop your opinion in the comment section and make sure you protect your own.
More information I nwetara ihe na-eme n'ime ebe a ya mere anyị ji gbara bịawa ahịa. Number 1, government house Umuahia. These people now got vandalized. Actually get here. Then why going? We got another information. Then a suspected fallen herdsman actually also from somewhere Hababata this side. I said okay. Kajizembo chokota at once. I married the enemy. I won't do security. The security is not here. Otawike security and Amuzuku vigilante not here. Okay, this shall kwe unu mandeke ndo ono na chaya. Long ground. So we have no gba.
Obidola.
No, we have. Them did ya. How are you? How. I have your Lord has says you could be had a down wall. Now we are a had down one here.
Let's go. Yeah, cable wire.
You can manage about the money here. You know it. When they touch water. How would they control that? Yes, some of that gosh. How you should handle
One family. IPOB. Today's date. 15 June 2026. Yes, today was 15 June 2026. I see Abokata today in Akwa Ibom. IPOB under the leadership of Ezenanwata Kano. I see better. But check I go Kubiko and Rosia, which area Chike Dosium. Who the head of DOS, Onion do have Jaman. Stop shaking the camera, we are straight. One Mazan deputize our leader for Ezenanwata Kano. Because Yabana Rosia to Saya. I owe to Roku for violence. He said, Oku, General Yakana was struggle. Tata, you do about IPOB under the leadership of Ezenanwata Kano. It doesn't matter. Kamali swetu is there, Joe. Come up for an about for us on the higher. I will touch, no problem, God will judge. So I will talk one because you want to fool Vida, to say, go room as a chicken to see them. Now, the principal officers concerning the enemy was struggle. The eye to good, he never do the cock and you know, nobody paid us. And what are you guys saying, Mayor? Or sponsor, I Mayor, in times of ego, mobile trouble face. No, we are saying it the way that OCDI know today. Concerning our struggle, you're not gonna struggle. I used to go that today. When I was to struggle, I got adios. I hope you. Tibo's or Buadeno, I brought Yawa with the Iwo, Yama, Gamayan and Ways. Maron and Diro, but I will kill. I put a year was our struggle on social media. Mandira, Mande, the agency, and I just say, I'll work another get room. I say, I pure you under the leadership of Mass and Nandekano, and I'll buy you bomb. I never was got that today. When I say, who don't organize culture, now you could Mass and Nandekano, attack for Macamon again, and or compromise them. We should not make that ship to sink. I am a quick ship I sink. So today, I took I would opportunity when I know it's a more answer and we're able to Ayaga. Here to unity. We in our society know if you're our own watch. And you got a man or ball for. I know you're not see more than major. More than major. Say forget ya. Say forget ya. It doesn't matter if it's 2 stations on the autopilot. No, they go be no. God will judge you. My in a poesy of like some of us, I could attack again. I go autopilot. I hire. Man, no one then I could attend. Mundana Sayan. What I go only to go Kagama will judge. Like I am going how much more effort I sacrifice to make sure that Biafra comes. And the only do I compromise. But why should we compromise? Why get you compromise? Only our frontier, no Niru, Kakochiri. Can I see what you was so go when I ask you? No way. I see our opportunity and then I create new sites on social media. My chicken was empty. Never hanya. Wahana. Only Anna walk on we are risking our life. Some of them that won't now God, no matter what we are passing through, like Biafra land. Look at the masses. I know they can de Akobas in Ozo, and there is an Ozo. Gabazi Radrom and Abaz Radrom, or you ever seen them? It's the Moko Adrom, mine, I yawn, now so no one didn't do. United, say forget. I know this time. I know it's not a time of Simon. I'm not going to. When simply Simnandekano, Mochina Samurun Kanka, I am on that level now. Because I know in the middle of danger, they can fool any more. Now I talk how wine can tank it. I know this will now call on a social media. I won't land the kind of nine hours. A bussy again with the Rayana. I need. Ono church ono wondin do Kabaru unite Kiana can we can achieve where try to unite Obra some go for him never go Gaguno go Galebu or so from Munebu and then to a kind of opportunity with Ziono Chike Doziamo and I own the leadership of my engine about Chike don't know I want you the leader of DOS kind of opportunity I will back. You're in a guy for week that you cannot bear this. I'm appealing to you, and we are appealing to you to resign. Yes. And what on the high and the but you know that you can no longer bear what is going on. I'm appealing to you to resign. Let other person and the honor you. If I get more honor that you resign, that's the situation I know. And what I'm asking now, I got the leader, the DOS leader forever and ever. And what I'm where I call you too. But then watching the open or go tired or resign. And now what you open need to go tired of this struggle that you can never push the struggle forward. Resign. I know you're gonna say from now to the end of June. I need the total shutdown in the whole Biafra to make sure that Ezenanwata Kanu is free. Because all these things are there, the total Southeast governors, they told us heaven and earth, they promised heaven, they promised us heaven and earth that Ezenanwata Kanu will be free. Today, I got Ezenanwata Kanu. And also this thing on the Meha. Also this thing, boy, they do. Oh, you know, for Abuja. What the how to leave Nnamdi. First of all, Nnamdi Kanu was illegally kidnapped.
Yes.
From Kenya. And one your committee. Gumina Pari Benina, they negotiate with the bandit. Nnamdi Kanu nani perfume, Nchano Ogo, na Yoja Waru Kafu Nakia. On the inside dungeon. From DSS now, sentence here for no just cause. So we are appealing to you, Mazi Chike, those honorable resign if you are do and done on this agitation. I know you're getting. Then era Bukies, they can very cheap collapse. Or then I hope you are not happy. I know you're getting. You go, you're going to resign. And I think I have more opportunity here. I hope you got to buy auto. If you put on the fire on flame, make sure that say how to gossiping. Say how to gossiping. Can't you got that dialogue? I don't know the time of if Tonya Gabriel or Tonya Gabriel. I have one, and one Nnamdi Kanu make one Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu make one Nnamdi Kanu make. And when Konyan do so, I made mistake. All put that. I see Konyan do, he made a mistake. And then I call that area. Don't get on a prison. I know to him. Now we are not on a social media. Of course, you know because now what ya. As Konyan do DOS, as Konyan Nnamdi Kanu rap. Or how progress I can get away and almost collapse. Keep on fighting, that is a leader. No matter how successful you keep on fighting and pushing. Not what you do. I say, why can't I on social media? They put. So it doesn't matter if it's a frame when say, I don't die, go about all it doesn't matter if this way, only open I get the videos where to there. We call their names. And the I know for you to put them in order. Yes. For you to put them in order. One of their name and make a gift. I talk everywhere. You caution all the kind of comments on the post on social media about onion do.
Yes.
Caution wire. Yes. Second person check Austin. Almost zero on and all Iberibe. Madara no give the Ubi no matter what said. You is a pure disgrace. Second level, the IPOB coordinator, I have that Keke Mugo. The kind of insult I did not make you don't like it. Another page, Omochuku writers. Here I had a no gather I am. I had a Koyanka is dead and buried. I had a Koyan law on that is a useless entity. We are not talking about her. She is not an IPOB member. She is not. You're on your Zoom. Another person said, Yabo, Nnamdi Kanu, Shanahani Abu. Naga Gabene disgrace here. Mabochaba Kage City to go against you. And what can you do to measure? Apota. America is the best one in the Mediterranean. I was a case of social media. Secondly, Family Writers Press International. Ono Kose Maria, Ono Nemena social media. You people should stop it. And the worst of it, among Onyabo, Siang was not Biafran child, but I personally Biafran useless child. Biafran zoo and useless child. I have to on social media. We don't want it. I know can't stop where. And you other social media, all of them, they should be called to an order. Say one hand to another. What they are doing, we don't like it. Yes. I actually here. This is not the time of Igbo The whole our bush is nearly full and not there. They want to invade and don't instead of us, I check out on. We're trying and I try. I want to choose you. I was Ala Igbo, we don't want it yet to peace. We don't want it. So I would like some few persons to make their own contribution. How can they take us from there? How can they take us from the IPO? We don't have IPO. Peace. Peace, all your so, my brother, you are from Ala Igbo. Talk to the leadership. Briefly, not 2 minutes.
I like them. And we're not a solution about this, a son in Nabiafra. He had to go to Gaicha. That was not on the Biafra. Because actually, you have to still at least the line that you can do. You have line much today. Almost I was and they cannot go so much in school. So I came along to them in hand. I was say you have today. I never got wine. So now you can hold up line now you can do it. I cannot move.
Ụmụ Chineke shalom. Esemokwu adịghị mma. Anyị achọrọ esemokwu. Ihe bụ nwoke bụ onye nọ n'ọgụ n'isi. And that's in the Bible mee ka anyị mmadụ na onye amụma sọpụzụ ihe nwetara oluo na nna ya. So this gospel a na-agụ anyị adịgọta ya adọ. Onye ọbụla ike dị isi strọgụl ụgwọ. Yes, we can therefore continue. Yes, anyị agaghị alapụ nna anyị ukwu ebe ọ nọ. Anyị ga-anọgide ọgụ a dosa ọdata na nna anyị ukwu dị free. Nwoke agaghị atọ bụrụ nwaanyị. Amụọ nwaanyị bụrụ nwaanyị. Amụọ nwoke ya bụrụ nwoke. Ụdị akụkọ anyị adịgọta ya. Ihe anyị na-ayọ bụ udo. Ka anyị n'ike ijikọta aka ọnụ wee dosa ọdata na ihe anyị na-akpa nkata na ome gịnị anyị ji mkpụrụ ekene m unu.
Anyị na-agwa onye ọbụla ihe anyị chọrọ bụ udo. Nobody enwe onye gwa anyị sị anyị ma ebido bribe anyị. Onye bribe anyị sị anyị ma ebido ala Biafra ga-achọ ọjị anyị. Mana ọ ka o si dị anyị n'obi anyị ji wee na-emebido anyị. Anyị na-asị ka udo dị na IPOB gwuo ya iji bụ 2 minutes.
Na biko na ana m ekele unu ọhịa Biafra. Ndị DOS unu akparịsị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu because na ọ gwara unu eziokwu no choose go 100 men.
So I'm na-ayọ ọnụ na-asị ka Chineke ihe na-achọ bụ udo ihe na-ebe a ndị Biafra ịghọtago ihe na-ebe a ndị Biafra udo na ọganihu ka anyị chọrọ. So udo Chineke dịrị anyị ncha niile.